Okay, welcome to the webinar about the video listing program that we have. So just kind of to get things started here and recap, video has a lot of credibility inside of the Google algorithms. And so if you have a video, we're able to boost those videos very high in the Google search listings very easily, based on the fact that Google deems video as some of the most important content available. And so I'm going to go through a couple of examples here of how this is done, and we target these at local search terms. So I'll do a couple simple ones here. I'll just type in orthodontist and then Springville. And what this will do is give you an illustration of how these videos are placed and ranked here. So once you have a video already produced, we actually produce videos. So whoever sent you this video, we actually have several video options to produce videos for you. Some very affordable options and some a little more extensive. But you'll look at here, so this is just Orthodontist Springville, and feel free to type this in on your own computer so that you can see that these do list. Right underneath the maps here, underneath the, there's one ad and then a couple of the maps, and we have a video image right here. Okay, this is an organic listing, it's not a paid ad, so once we list this for you, you don't have to pay per click. It's just we have a setup cost and then a very nominal monthly cost that will keep this video up very high. And so this is one example. Now, depending on how this works, if there's no maps for different types of companies, it can get even higher. And so let me just show you. If we were to type in Business Coach Springfield, as you can see here, this video pops up really nice and big, and we have this for two listings here. It's the same video. Now, this is something that happens over time. So in the initial setup, that gets it listed, and it'll be that smaller image. But if you jump onto the monthly, where we continually every month to optimize this video, over time it will turn into this bigger image here. And so I'll show you another one here. This will be a franchise. We work with a lot of different industries, but Franchise Coach San Diego. Oh, this one has popped up big now as well. This one actually used to be smaller, but I guess it's been enough time now to where this one is bigger. And we work in a lot of different industries. We can list just about any type of video inside of our process here. So this is the first one after the paid ad, but it's a nice big video. And then if you click on this video, you'll see this is one of the videos that we have. We call an expert interview, where we have a news gal introduce our person as the expert in the field, and then we bring them on camera and they talk a little bit about their expertise there. But back to the listing, we can do this with a lot of different industries, so I'll just show you a few more listings, and that'll be probably all. But if you typed in cosmetic dentist, and feel free to type all these into your own Sandy, cosmetic dentist Sandy. Type them into your own computer and you'll see that we have these listed right here. So if somebody's looking for a cosmetic dentist in this city, Sandy, and this video pops up nice and high right here next to the Google listing. We also have something called review videos, where if I was to type in Tesla Motors, it's in Washington. Oops, I spelled that wrong. But anyways, Tesla Motors Washington, where this is where we, instead of bringing the person on the camera, we highlight a review video. And so, excuse me, and so this is a video where we highlight one of your customer reviews, and these are very affordable as well. And so, to go back, I'll show you just a couple more listings so that you can kind of get a read on this. Now we can list them for just about any key term, okay? And so like if it's a real estate agent buying a home South Jordan, somebody might type in buying a home South Jordan, and then we have this video here. And so, like I said, they don't always start at the very top, but they almost always end up very near the top of Google, and then over time on the monthly program they bump up higher and higher and higher, and end up as that nice big piece of real estate up there. Just trying to think if I can show you one or two more examples. If we did business coach in Provo, which is a different Provo is a different city. We got a nice video popped up big here. And just if I was to show you one more example. Oh, so we can also do it for other types of key terms. So if we did employee, E-M-P-L-O-Y, productivity, C-G-O-G-E-O-R-G, St. George, and feel free to type all these in. Oh, that one's big again as well. And we can do them for bigger cities, so let me show you one in New York. If we did best pool enclosure, New York, you see we have another video right here. And so even in the bigger cities, we're able to do it. Now we even have some flexibility in doing an open term, which means not connected to a city. Now it is more expensive, so one that is a statewide, so you had the ones that were cities that you saw like Provo or Springfield, Illinois, or even San Diego. And those ones don't have the, those ones are tied to a city, so that's our most affordable option. So if you're looking to a city, and this one is what's called a statewide one. So this is optimized for New York, the state. And if we did another one, this would be in Tools, Utah. See how there's a video here, and this is targeted at a state, not a city. So that's the second bump up, is a statewide campaign where we're able to list them. And then we even have open terms, which are not connected to a city at all. So if we did offshore technology company, my spelling, I missed that word there, but this will come up. See, so if we go offshore technology company, we have a video listed here. This one is not tied to a specific state or city. It's not regionally tied, and so we do have the flexibility to do this as well. This one is the most expensive, of course, because we're competing against not just everybody in a city or even a state, but we're competing against every other person that wants to list for an offshore technology company in the world that speaks English. So if you were in Dubai and you type this in, it would still pull up, or you could be in Europe, where BP Oil is and a couple others. And so these are the different options that we have. Feel free to talk to the person who has sent you this video, the person you're talking to about video production. If you have an existing video, we can absolutely list that existing video, or if you need a video produced, talk to them about the several options that we have for that as well. And that is all for me, and I hope we can work with you and help get you some exposure online and get you some new business in the door. All right, thanks so much. Talk soon. Bye-bye.